3 steps for getting more done. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 steps that you can take to start getting more done in less time. When it comes to being productive, everyone wishes they were able to get more done in less time. If you are struggling with a lack of productivity, you can follow these 3 steps for getting more done. Step number 1. Obligation scheduling. Unfortunately, if you want to get more done, you have to do more than just mentally planning for it. You have to schedule what you are going to do and when you are going to do it. If you want to get more done, then you have to make an appointment with yourself and keep it as if it were a dinner with your boss. All too often, we create schedules with the mindset of what we want to complete rather than what we must achieve. When you do this, your brain sees the event as optional instead of mandatory. When you can shift to a mindset of obligation, you give more weight to the tasks, which will create a greater necessity. Step number 2. Effective efficiency. When we are efficient, it means that we can do the best job possible in the least amount of time. The first thing that you need to know is how long a task will take to accomplish. Then, you need to figure out if you can decrease that time without diminishing the quality of your work. It's not enough for you to just schedule. You need to ensure that you are precise about the time a task actually takes. Keep careful track of how long specific actions take and work towards decreasing the time you spend without diminishing the quality of your work. Step number 3. Present focus. The greatest enemy of your productivity is a distraction. In today's always-on-the-go world, the ability to remain attentive seems almost impossible. You might be able to schedule your time efficiently, but still lose out on getting more done because your mind drifts or other distractions pull you away from your work. You will increase your productivity if you can learn how to stay in the now and in the present. Increasing your personal productivity doesn't require extensive plans and steps. By following these 3 simple steps, you'll be able to increase your productivity to get more done in less time.